Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React testing library we are going to learn in this series. So those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please to like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So now we are going to build a new series, React testing library. So we are going to add some test cases in the React. Okay, so which library I'm going to use? That is React testing library, which is whenever you try to install it automatically there. I will show you. So if I go to any of my React project, like any of them, no, this one, React tutorial, YouTube, any of the packet.json I will open, and here you can see we have this testing libraries, right? So test this library I'm going, which is pre by default, right? So I'm going to use that one. So first, do with introduction what exactly it is. So React testing library is a popular library for writing unit tests for React components. It focuses on testing components from the user's perspective, promoting the use of the DOM elements, attributes, or implementation details, right? Suppose, let's take an example. You have a button, and whenever the user clicks, okay, so on that note, you have to add some of the test cases. Like suppose when the user, you have to check that if the button is clicked, what would be the text value? Okay, according to it, you can make the test cases, or you have a contact us form, right? And you have to validate like what the user has been input, or validate like the email should be @ gmail.com, username should be 6 letters to be uppercase or something. That logic would be so in that way you have to add the test cases in that library. Okay, so first one, that is focus on user interaction. Tests mimic how users interact with the UI, making them more meaningful and easier to understand. You test if the component behaves as expected, the user standpoint, not just if the internal logic works. Okay. Then we have a improved maintainability. Tests are less likely to break due to components refactoring because they don't rely on the specific implementation details. This makes test more reliable, easier to maintain over time. Isolation of components. Okay, so test focus on individual components. So like suppose we have a button component, we have a form component, we have an input component. So tests focus on the individual components, reducing the risk of regression caused by the changes in other parts of application. You can test each component in isolation. Suppose I want to test only the button part, so you can run the test case separately for the button, input, on change or form. Okay, independently you can run. RTL philosophy. There are some key principles behind the RTL approach. So, what it is, test what user sees and interact with. Focus on the rendered output DOM elements rather than the internal component state or the logic. Okay, don't mock implementation details. Test the component's behavior, not its internal implementation. This makes the test more resilient to changes. Write user-centric assertions. Verify that the component rendered that expected UI elements and responds correctly to the user interactions. What are the benefits? That is important. Better user experience, improved development workflow, increased confidence. Test ensures components behave as users expect. Whenever we write any kind of test cases, what they behave as the users expect, leading to more robust and user-friendly applications. Easier to write, maintain tests, leading to the faster development cycles and better code quality. Like suppose I have made a contact us form, okay, and if somebody tries to work on it, then what happens? So if I'm not able to write the test cases, like what the user input should be and what the values should be added, okay, so in by saying the test cases or running the test cases, he will understand better rather than he will go to the postman what the API is calling, what the parameters need to show, what are the errors coming on. So it's gonna be like much more complicated for us. It's better if somebody, if you write each and separate test cases, it will be better for the code quality, and yeah, for the like the development purpose is gonna be easy for that. Okay, Increase confidence. Reliable test provides confidence that the components work as intended. Means whenever you write any kind of test cases, then you are sure that whatever you have written, whatever you have run the test cases, that all are correct. Okay. Reducing bugs and regressions. Okay. So you don't like suppose that we have a contact us form, right? And somebody come and just add a new field. So whenever he run the test cases, definitely because he added a new field, right? In that case, test case what it gonna be failed because this input is not there, right? So in that case, test cases are very very important to ensure the ensure like the code quality. Okay. And you don't need to just go and do the test cases again and again. So it's better like do the write the test cases properly, run that one, and if it is everything is working, that go for the next functionality. That's very important. Okay. So this is the theoretical part, like why, what are the principles of behind the RTL, why we should use the test cases. Okay. Next, from onwards, we are going to do with the code level, how to write the test cases, how to run the test cases, what are the parameters need to pass, each and everything from the button to click to input form for the validations, each and everything we are going to learn. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video, hope you like it. Any doubt, any query, do let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.